Now that we have understood how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, we have this lecture where we will look into student and, and a professional profile. And we will try to analyze the profiles on all the factors we discussed in the previous lectures. So let's have a look at this profile. If you take one view of this profile, it is pretty much clear that John loves designing. His cover says it all. Also, the profile picture is simple and clear. He has a headline to his profile with the keyword graphic designer and instructor. That means if anyone searches for a graphic designer or instructor, his profile will show up for the term. Now he has optimized his profile with a summary about with his background work and accomplishment. This summary is giving a clear picture of John as professional without even looking at his entire profile and reading everything he has written in his profile. Now, if you see here, he has well used his featured section. Because he is an instructor, he has probably given the link of his class or lecture featuring him, which enhances more about his profession and his professional career so far. You can also make great use of this featured section to showcase if you have featured in any newspaper or any interview, or if you have been a part of any article or anything that adds up to your credibility. You can see the activity section. His activity shows that he is actually not a dead audience in LinkedIn, regularly engages with the content and audiences online. You must take care that just creating a profile and optimizing it is just not enough. You have to have a presence and engagement to build a reputable name. He has filled in his experience section, education, and skill, and also observed that his skills have been endorsed by other users on LinkedIn who might be his colleagues or mates. Also, he has mentioned some of his publication and recommendations. Even if you see his URL, it has been customized for better search. So in short, we can say that his profile is optimized well. Also, all the factors we discussed in the previous section from recruiter's point of view to building brand. All of them fits well. Now coming up to the student's profile. His profile too has a nice profile picture and the cover. Although the cover image is not professional, it depicts his personal interests or aspirations. He has a short and nice summary of his education and educational interests. Well, he has added his resume in the featured section, which is not a good practice. So try avoiding it and give a list of only things where you have actually been featured. He is quite active in LinkedIn and engaging, thus he is not into the category of dead audiences. He has also shared his experience, education, and apart from that, he has shown up his licenses and certifications with skills. Also, you can see his projects, different languages he knows. You can take crux from his profile, how they have used different sections of LinkedIn in their favor. You can use them too to make your online presence.